Welcome to Sunday's Best with Val.
And Kathy, inspiring possibilities for couples, parents, families, and everyone in between.
To our first-time listeners, we'd like to welcome you to our show. And for those who have been with us in our previous episodes, thank you for tuning in with us.
Itong episode na to, this is something na tribute natin para sa parents natin.
Yep.
Because this is all about yung recent visit ni Mama and Papa and syempre si Nanay all together dito sa Davao, dito sa bahay.
Yeah, and it was a memorable visit because for 11 years, diba? Tama ba? 11 years, hindi pa nakakapunta dito si Nanay sa Davao. So, finally, napasagot natin siya, napa-yes natin siya to come here. And maganda yung ginawa nating strategy, no, na iniwan natin si Champ, yung youngest natin sa kanya. Tapos biglang sabi na wala pong pwedeng sumundo sa kanya. So, most likely, ikaw talaga ang magdadala sa kanya dito sa Davao.
And how do you feel seeing Nanay here in the flesh?
Of course, I'm happy na nandito siya. At the same time, a part of me was actually hoping na nakasama niya si tatay, diba? Dito sa bahay natin. Of course, hosting her together with si Mama dito sa bahay natin na ipinatayo natin during the pandemic. It has actually allowed me to feel parang fulfilled na nandito siya. However, yun nga, sabi ko na there's a little bit of sadness kasi when we were building this house, tatay was still around. And tinutour ko pa siya while the construction was ongoing. Sabi ko sa kanya na, Tay, pagka natapos ito, I want you to visit here. Sadly, last August 2021, tatay passed away and he was not able to really see yung completion nung bahay.
Natapos yung bahay September 2021.
Right.
Tama, di ba?
But he passed away August 2021.
So, 1 month na lang.
Yes. Nevertheless, I'm still happy because yun nga, parang si Nanay mismo nakarating dito. And I've always been telling her na even if hindi nakarating dito si tatay physically, I would always feel his presence. Especially when I'm in the garden.
Wow.
Diba? So,
marami atang plants si tatay dyan sa garden.
Mahilig kasi si tatay sa plants. And one of our plants, yung si Pirichi, galing yun sa garden ni tatay. Diba? So, I know na because he's already in the spirit realm, wala nang boundaries eh. He can actually come and visit and experience also the energy of the house. So, nung isang beses nga na parang few days bago dumating dito si Nanay, I was talking to her, making sure na darating siya at hindi siya magba-back out. Biglang merong butterfly na dumaan sa harapan nung camera. It's a yellow butterfly.
Wow.
Tapos sabi ko, Nay, merong butterfly dito. Sabi niya, ang tatay mo yan. Kasi dito sa Bulacan, laging merong yellow butterfly doon sa garden niya.
So, naniniwala si Nanay ng ganyan, ha?
And ako, I also believe that, na probably yung energy or yung spirit ni tatay is still around. Diba? So, happy lang ako na si Nanay was physically here and was able to celebrate with us dun sa mga milestones na sinelebrate natin while she was here.
Listening to you, parang nagiging emotional. Nagiging emotional ako kasi nga, 'di ba? Sabay-sabay sila dito. And parang initially sabi ko nga kay Mama and Papa na hotel na lang kayo kasi nga nandito si Nanay, 'di ba? And parang na-realize natin nung sinundo natin sila Mama and Papa, nandito sila. So, uy, dito na lang sila sa room natin. Bahala na tayo yung lilipat sa ibang room just to accommodate Mama and Papa. And parang sabi ko nga, being kids, ang pinaka-fulfillment naman natin or yung gusto natin is makita natin yung parents natin, di ba? To approve. Approve for their approval. And seeing Papa, Mama coming here, lalo na si Papa na lying down on our bed. Hug ko talaga siya. Ko pa, kaya lang, nakatulog ka ba? And, our parents, they would want to give everything to us kids. Now na tayo naman yung being able to have that capacity to really give what we can to them. Parang, it's just, ito tears of joy siya na being able to see them happy for us, for what we have done and what we have accomplished also as parents, no? Kasi nga, they were here specifically kasi gusto nilang mag-celebrate din with the kids, mga graduation nila, recognition, kumbaga, tiniming talaga nila that they will be here to see and celebrate with us. So, grabe, it was a full circle week for us na bakit ako masyado emotional? Dapat ikaw eh. Kasi nga si nanay, di ba? Parang
First time
for after 11 years na nandito tayo sa Davao. Parang ilang beses natin siya ni-invite. Pero ngayon lang talaga siya nakapunta. So, grabe. Me, as a daughter-in-law na, kumbaga, also seeking for her approval for so many years. And being able to see all of them, laughing.
Yeah.
Nagkukwentuhan, eating all together, diba? Parang, wow. Parang, forever yun na picture, memory na nasa mind ko. Ikaw naman.
Ano ba yan? Dapat ako yung emotional, di ba? Kasi
ko alam
it was really a milestone for me to bring nanay to come and visit us.
Yeah.
All the more na nagstay pa siya ng 10 days.
Haba yun.
Diba? Sobrang haba nun. And I think it's the first time that she did that. Even when we were in Cebu, hindi naman nangyari yun. Parang one day lang yata. Overnight lang sila, di ba? Overnight lang sila ni tatay nung doon tayo nakatira sa Cebu. But this time around, she decided to stay for 10 days. Really bond. Kahit na medyo challenge sa kanya ang pag-akyat ng stairs from the ground floor to the second floor and also from the second floor to the third floor to check on the kids, ganyan.
Yeah.
Pero it was really amazing to have her around the house. Natuwa ako na nagustuhan niya at nagkaroon sila ng connection ng ating house angel, si Sheila. Helping her out during cooking and sometimes tinuturuan din niya, di ba? And siya mismo, she actually hindi man dominated but she utilized the kitchen, yung my own space dito sa bahay natin. And natuwa ako na she cooked Uno's favorite sotanghon, my favorite sitaw adobo, di ba? So it's really it's really more than just being emotional. I think it's really about perfect timing. And I know that perfect timings happen when there's alignment in the spiritual realm, di ba? So perfect lang siya na nandito siya because yun nga, meron tayong celebration and at the same time somehow parang na rin siya yung recognition, sabi mo nga yung validation na we also did a good job in terms of living our life.
Actually,
the best way that we can honor our parents is really to bring out our potential. Kasi yun naman din yung desire nila sa atin, di ba? For us to experience the good life.
Correct.
As much as they can, katulad natin, we would want to provide everything for our children.
Yes.
I'm sure ganun din sila. However, from the words na rin ni nanay, di ba? Parang happy ako that you were able to, sabi niya, that you were able to raise your kids well.
Yes.
Nakita ko that they are also prim and proper. But more than anything else, it's really the achievement and success that you and Kathy have actually experienced. And for me, katulad mo, I've been seeking validation and approval especially from my mom.
Yes.
Diba? And to hear her say that, and every time that she goes around the house, every time that she comes out of her room, baba ng garden, tapos there was a time na nag-ikot pa kami dito sa subdivision, ang lagi lang niyang sinasabi na, ang ganda ng bahay niyo. Ang galing niyo naman. Parang, wow. For me, that was the ultimate affirmation, and validation of all the years na hindi naman siguro trying to prove to her, but it's really living our lives, living my life according to how I want it. And yun nga, parang that's my offer to my parents or to our parents na, hey, tatay, nanay, mama and papa, hindi sayang yung pagpapalaki ninyo sa amin. We created something out of the things that you have passed on to us while we were growing up and while you were nurturing us.
And ang maganda nun, happy ako na nakikita nila yung success natin na buhay pa sila.
Tama.
And healthy pa sila. And being able to also appreciate itong bahay na, alam mo yun, healthy pa sila, naka-visit pa sila dito, diba? And ma-experience nila na sila, uy, ang ganda pala ng bahay, diba? And yun naman yung pinaka-reason why we go for success.
Tama.
It's really for our family, not just for our own kids, but also for our parents also to see na ma-reap din nila yung harvest at their time, no?
Yep.
Na buhay pa sila, healthy pa sila. In fact, we are so blessed na hindi din sila dependent sa atin.
Tama.
Kumbaga meron pa rin silang sources of income kahit, alam mo yun, they're already in their senior years, coming here on their own and really spending for their own, 'di ba? Kumbaga wala talaga silang hinihingi, 'di ba? And I think yun yung pinaka reason na blessed din, para sa akin blessed tayo sa mga parents natin because hindi natin na-experience yung naririnig natin ng mga stories ng ibang, 'di ba, kids, children na yung mga parents kumbaga umaasa din sa kanila talaga even if may mga kids na rin sila, may sariling family na rin sila. And yun siguro yun, no? And being able to also share yung blessings natin sa kanila with the kids, I think yun yung pinaka-fulfillment ko rin na yung mga kids natin, we were able to integrate the extended family sa kanila na, hey, pag nandito si Papa, si Mama, bigyan nyo rin sila ng time, bigyan mo rin sila ng attention, spend time with them, diba? And they really appreciate it also na nandito yung mga lolo-lola. In fact, diba, sila pa ngayon nagsasabi, oh, you spend Christmas here. Nakakatuwa kasi even my parents, parang they're already planning to spend Christmas here in Davao this December.
Wag ka, si nanay. Kanina tumawag lang din, di ba? And nung sinabi ni Cham sa kanya na, you should come back here this Christmas. And then she said, sure. Di ba? Dati, ang lagi lang niya sinasabi, let's see. We will see. Pero ngayon, parang, sure. Diba? I'll see you in Christmas there in Davao. Correct. So, I'm just so happy na even yung parents natin kasi, sila mismo, they created something out of themselves. Diba? Si Papa and Mama, they built their own house. Si Nanay and Tatay, ilang bahay din yung naipatayo nila at pinaglipat-lipatan nila. Diba? For them to model that kind of achievement para sa atin, syempre tayo, we also aspire to have our own place.
Yes.
And eventually, hopefully, and hindi pala hopefully, I know na with the modeling that we are doing now to our children, they will also do it for themselves so that their own children will also experience that.
Nagulat nga si Uno, oy, dito pala matutulog sila mama and papa, sila lolo and mamiglo, no? Akala ko mag-hotel sila, 'di ba? Kasi nga nasa third floor yung room natin. And I was thinking na baka mahirapan si Papa to go up and down. And honestly, niisip ko rin talaga na, oh my gosh, parang full house. Kaya ko ba 'yon? Na parang ang daming tao dito sa bahay, 'di ba? Pero surprisingly, nakayanan ko naman.
Congratulations.
'Di ba? Pero at the same time, parang hassle naman masyado kung nasa hotel sila and everything. Susunduin pa natin, ganyan. So, nung sinabi ko kay Uno ko, Uno if you have your own house, you also do this for us, ha? Sabi niya, Mommy, I'll make sure that in my house, there's an extra guest room. Kasi nangyari, yung room niya, he had to, naging guest room siya. And doon natulog si nanay for 10 days, diba? So, as in siya, palipat-lipat. So, I really had to tell him, sorry, boy, ha? Thank you, boy, ha? Thank you. Kasi, yun nga, parang natulog siya sa sala, natulog siya sa boys' room, natulog siya kay Alpha, parang dami niyang mga nilipatan just to accommodate also si nanay for 10 days.
And sila lolo and mamiglo, di ba? Maybe it's time to think about adding a guest room.
Wow, saan natin ilalagay?
Yung isang side ng garage. Pero walang problema yung mga parents natin. Kasi sabi nga nila, di ba, sanay sila nung bata sila na kahit nasa sala, maglatag lang ng banig dyan. Basta
Siyempre,
importante.
ayaw naman natin na gano'n.
Parang sama-sama. And sabi mo nga, ayaw naman natin ng gano'n. Because we also want them to experience comfort, right? And at the same time, ma-enjoy talaga nila yung stay nila dito. So, kahit na tayo na lang yung maglatag ng
bahala
banig.
na, diba? Bahala na. So,
right.
Yeah, overall, you should really give ourselves a pat on the shoulder for a job.
Doing a great job.
Well done. For the celebrations, the graduation, the recognition, for nanay and mamiglo and lolo coming here, accommodating them dito sa bahay with all the cookings and the everything. And at the same time, yung ating there's discovery workshop na sabay-sabay together with all of these things. Pero sabi ko, wow, what a week. No
we
extra
survived
time.
last week.
We not just survive, we thrived.
We thrived, yeah.
And yun talaga yung totoong serving, no extra time. And nakakatuwa kasi, di ba, for the longest time, I've been, really setting aside time to do Netflix, etc., etc. Sa dami ng ginawa natin last week, parang all you can do is when you get home, you just sit for a while, enjoy the silence.
Also.
Yes, and rest. And then, the following day, grind na naman, diba? So, overall, it was really a fulfilling week for me.
Bravo for both of us.
Hope you found value in this episode. Follow for more contents like these and don't forget to rate us 5-star. See you in our next episode. Talk to you soon.